What's up? What's up? This is your homie, your dog, Chef Moo. Hey, first, Merry Christmas. This is a season that we celebrate Christ and we fellowship and love on our family. So in doing so, every once in a while, I like to put on my apron, come down to the kitchen, and bless my family with a great Christmas dinner. So what am I making this Christmas? Come on over here. Today I'm making a prime rib. Oh yes, look at that. Get that prime rib. That is a prime rib. The bone is out of it. As you can see, we have the bone there, but the bone is out of it. A great piece of overnight fat. You can see the fat going through there. This is about a 12-pounder prime rib, y'all. So what we're gonna do now is I'm just gonna marinate it. So tonight you're just gonna see me marinate it. You're gonna see the spices I put on there. Easy recipe, but it's gonna be delicious. And then tomorrow, after we let it marinate overnight, we'll put it in the oven on tomorrow. And so tonight we're gonna get this prime rib prepped. As you can see, tomorrow I'm gonna do a little crab. Come on back over here. Don't worry about that. So our ingredients for our prime rib is very simple: popcorn, pepper, which I already ground, kosher salt, right? Not regular salt, not table salt, kosher salt. We have our thyme, which is right here, and then I have my rosemary, which is right there. I have my butter already, getting ready. Then I have my minced garlic, and we're gonna make that the paste and put it all over our prime rib. So first, I'm gonna cut this thyme up. Cut up this thyme. And this is going to make our crust for our prime rib. I'm going to put my minced garlic also in my butter. This is my minced garlic right there. I love garlic, y'all, so please excuse me. Then you mix that all up in your butter. Boom. And this is going to be our coat that goes over our prime rib.
It smells delicious.
It smells delicious. You hear my cameraman? All right. Sonny, but I'm trying to teach him how to, get in the kitchen a little bit too. Boom. All right. So now that's ready. Now we're gonna take our peppercorn with our kosher salt. Come over to the prime rib. First, I have a little oil here that I just rub on the prime rib. Rub it down. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Have to become one with the meat. Throw my arms up here. So I just coat it right there, both sides. As you can see, that's what the bone used to be. Now when you're baking these, to make sure they cook correctly, you want to cook it with the fat on top and the lean part on the bottom. Now if you were grilling these, you would cook it the opposite to make sure it gets cooked inside. Alright, so I'm going to put our oil on there. Boom. Alright, now I'm going to take some kosher salt. Salt all over there. Rub it in. Get it in there on the side. Alright. Get it in there on the side. On the side. Bam. Turn it upside down real quick. Same thing. Then we're about to put on our spread. We have our prime rib seasoned with this peppercorn and kosher sauce and oil. Now we're going to put our coating on there. This you just rub on like that. Rub on good. This is going to make the crust on top of the prime rib. And like I said, I let this marinate all night long. I say, Moo, you still got it, baby. What you say? You still got it. And now, if you notice, I didn't give you guys measurements because I measure off how my soul feels. The soul will tell you it's right now. Soften my butter up just a little bit. That's going on pretty good. And like I said, this is going to make a heck of a crust. And as you let it sit all night, all the salt, the ingredients get into the pores of it. This is a pretty beautiful piece of meat here. One thing I love about Christmas, cook my dishes. It's not about just the gifts you get. It's about the fellowship. It's about the family and seeing everybody smile and happy. There you have it. That's pretty simple. After we get our coating on there, put a little more pepper. Boom. A little more salt. Boom. And then we are going to wrap him up. And we'll see him tomorrow to go in the oven. But tonight, put him to bed and let him rest. Let all that good seasoning soak in. And then we're going to put him in tomorrow. So tomorrow, we're going to see our Christmas prime rib. If I have time, I'll show you gumbo too. This your homie, your dog, Chef Moo. I'll be back. Well, y'all, it's day 2. And we are about to put him in the oven. I preheated it at 320. I'm going to let it cook for a couple of hours at that, and then we're going to turn it up. Here we go. What's up, y'all? Well, it is done. I pulled it out the oven. I have let our prime rib sit for about 15 minutes or so, 20 minutes. I'm cutting into it right now. Ooh, look at that. That stuff just cutting apart. And what that is medium. Now, if you wanted a little bit more done, you can get a skillet and you can kind of just cook the sides on how you like it. I'm not a medium rare. I'm about a medium, maybe more of a well. So I might put this in a skillet, but that's it, y'all. That is prime rib. And it's cutting. It is delicious. Y'all see that? Hey, this your homie, your dog, Chef Moo. Tomorrow I'll be cooking gumbo. But right now, that's your Christmas prime rib. I'm out.